Hi everyone, I've got few questions about why I'm doing twice level in one place and I'm not doing in one shot. So this is a very good example why I did it twice, because there is a deepest spot around inch was and over. So first of all, I feel the area where the was very deep spots, and then I set up tripods, grind a little bit, and did second coat. So have a look how I did it. Today I want to start leveling this apartment, and here is very crooked floor, and I'll show why. I tell you why it's crooked, because for this reason I have to use laser, and I have pencil which is showed me exactly. You see this black line on the pencil. If I put it, it's exactly this red line on the pencil. It showed me 0. So we can take any place, for example here. In this video I will show you how to work with regular laser level if you don't have 4D laser level, which is I'm using last few years with bottom laser line. So, and also this point where I put laser I already found it's matched height with hallway and master bedroom. It's not like I'm just put somewhere and that's it. This is the exactly point what we need. So if red line going up, it's lower spot. If it's from this line going red line down, it means it's higher spot. So okay, now 0, and going for example here and put it pencil here. You see where is the black line and where is the red line. So here is an inch approximately lower. So if we go in somewhere here, look, so black line here, red line lower, it means ½ inch higher. This highest spot I grind down after I finish leveling. Easy. So first of all, I want to level this kitchen area, because this area is very low in entrance. So it's going, I already checked, but I can show you more. So here is what here is. Look at this black line and red line exactly fit. These points I call transfer points, because I can transfer this line to around the corner or another room. It means this point and that point with laser the same. So I can put laser here, so I can mark with my pencil. So here is 0. So 0, it means I can move laser from one point to another point. So how to make it? How can I put concrete and make same level? So if you don't have tripods, it's hard. But if you have tripods, just install tripods and fill up. What I wanna do now, and I'll show you how to do it. First of all, for this area, I want to apply primer. I already mixed primer. It's 50%, maybe more water, because need to good absorption primer with concrete. So it's fabric roller, easy to do it. can start, roll it. Don't rush, just look at this, it's dusty. Why I put more water? To make better absorption. Okay, so let's go. After 2 hours I already put foam and seal all foam on the bottom with caulk to avoid any leaking, because underground parking, so everywhere foam. And here was some little cracks, just in case I fill up it too. And then I install tripods. I measured before from this spot, and this spot was same height, so in there, right here. So I mean, I have to fill up this hallway, this closet and kitchen. I mark by those points I have to fill up. It's visible for me, and there is too. You see this black line. So in all tripods with different heights, here is lower, there is higher. How to do it, you can have a look on my previous video. Easy to set up. And I put already a bucket of water, 1 bucket for 3 bags, and I want to start leveling. So here is approximately from 12 to 15 bags I have to put. So let's go. Here is I fill up already, and just waiting when it's dry. Nice. Very fast. It takes like half an hour to fill this area, maybe less. Just 9 bags. I thought it should be like 12-15. No, not much. We see how it's straight later in hour when it's dry. Here is the next day when it's concrete completely dry. You can see how it's perfect. It's 10 feet straight edge. I put across. So here this side was very deep, inch, and just going up and up and up. And now, so what I want to do, this part higher, and I want to grind it off and then smoothly fill up. So after when I finish this leveling, so I'll check, need one more quarter up. So I install one more tripods, 1/4 inch everywhere, and already start fill up. Put primer. Primer need put 100%. So here is already. I feel with tripods very easy to see how much self-leveling compound you have to add. Just you fill up the leveling by the bottom plate on the tripod. This closet, easy to see what need to do, and just go, just do it. Yeah, and here is leveling compound. Little need more liquid, and I'm gonna add a little bit more water. So, and it's gonna be spread very easy. Spread this concrete. I use squeegee. Easy. So already set up there, need to do it here. Okay, that's it. Now I wanna roll it out, and now in 1 hour it's dry completely, and you can walk. Easy. So now you take one and roll. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any question, don't hesitate. Ask me, I always answer you. See you on next video.